Ever since the Industrial Revolution, the world has had an enormous growth and people started depending on huge companies and technology. This gave us plenty of advantages such as economic growth, intercultural markets, and services to make people's life easier. Nevertheless, the amount of pollution and garbage all these companies produce is immense. At first, countries used to export recycling materials to avoid affecting their country and gain an important amount of money. Now, countries have to pay for the recycling trash to be taken away, which generates an economic loss and the country's sustainability goes down. For example, the US have shipped about half of its waste to China for years, but since 2018, they are no longer accepting recycling materials. On the other hand, Mexico has a recycling culture of separating the garbage, which affects the society and environment since all of the materials are thrown in landfills. But what does this generate? This waste produces a focus of infection in the open air and pollution of rivers and forests, as all this garbage generates pests and toxic liquids affecting health. What are companies' compromises? As an enterprise that have a social responsibility, they have a duty to serve all of those people not only by providing the services they need, but by making sure they can work with a sustainable business. This works by having a friendly environment within a social community and providing profitable prices and products. This may be achieved with the help of ethical decisions a company is in charge of making, by hiring people aware of personal ethics and applying this to their business, developing moral courage. Finally, there's a zero-waste economy by enacting policies and programs where less is consumed and materials are recycled, and we work with a repair of goods, which is how I would like my company to work with one day. Having alliances such as Remera, where waste is given a proper treatment. For now, implementing a culture where I consume less and reuse as much as I can is a small step that if we all manage to do later on, it would be easier to help an environment. Like these, several companies such as Bimbo, Coca-Cola, and Walmart are starting to open their eyes.